camcorder. Dad bought the camcorder. The children had a race. Dad made a video. Smile, everyone, said Dad. Dad went to the sports day. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Emma. It was Joe's wedding. Dad took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. It was Mom and Dad's anniversary. Emma wanted to make a video. Dad showed Emma the camcorder. It's easy, said Dad. Emma made a video. It's easy, said Emma. Smile, please, said we. The children watched the race. They watched the sports day. They watched Joe's wedding. They laughed at Emma's video. They went to the treehouse. Emma wanted to make a video. Dad let her use the camcorder. Emma made a video. She showed two men. They were burglars. The burglars were running away. Emma made a video of them. Call the police, she shouted. Dad got the phone. He called the police. Emma got the burglars on video. The police came. They watched the video. We danced at the police. The police caught the burglars. Thank you, said the police. Thank you for watching.